What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. Today is Monday, June the 12th, 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to talk about Verse Network. This is a platform that we just actually showed for the first time last week. Of course, it has been one of those ones that we're going to watch over time and we're going to check it out. But it's been something that has impressed me from a software standpoint so far. You know, some of the stuff they have in the back office is very clear and concise. We're going to go over the presentation just one more time today, and then we're going to talk about what we see in the back office. Before we get started, I want to remind all of you that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, all right? I'm just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I'm cranking out that crypto in many different platforms, nothing more and nothing less than that. Now, if you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. And please, sir, please, ma'am, don't get scammed by the WhatsApp, man, because there's nothing I can do to help you if he gets you. All right, so stay diligent and vigilant in the comment section and in this space in general. I want to start off with a disclaimer that they give as well. Other information presented in this presentation is for educational, informational purposes only. It is not intended to be, should not be understood or interpreted as, and does not constitute any financial advice. As with any business, your results may vary and will be based on your individual capacity, business experience, its expertise, motivation, and level of desire. It is the responsibility of the user to observe all applicable laws and regulations of the relevant jurisdiction before proceeding to access the information contained herein. Never borrow money to get involved in any business or market. Never invest what you cannot afford to lose. All right, this is their disclaimer. Of course, they talk about the Forex market, so they start discussing some of the opportunities that we all know that are out there. We know that the Forex market is a very profitable industry. There's a lot of people making a lot of money in the foreign exchange market, and that's just a fact. All right. Then they talk a little bit about the company. They're registered in Cyprus. Their office is in Dubai. They talk about their team, specialized team. Verse Corp is specialized company specialized in financial education, automated trading. Verse Corp provides its members with training and high performance tools to optimize and maximize returns in the financial market. And of course, in our opinion, we hope that all platforms have a team that specializes in what they say they do best. All right. At the end of the day, we want to see them work. So they have a corporate team. Some of these names I've seen, Bryce Van Den Bush, I hope I'm saying his name right, but he's the one I've seen do some Zoom calls and presentations. And of course, a lot of these other people, Mark Owen, managing director and head trader of Trade and Train UK, head trader of CTO of Spring Techno in Germany, Stefan Burkhardt, and Mulk Shadiq, founder and lead trader of Invest Tribe Southeast Asia. So if anybody wants to do more due diligence on those names, feel free to do so. They talk about what they have as services. They have the Verse AI and they have the Verse Club. I do believe the Verse Club is a well, they tell us basic training and introduction to trading, live trading sessions, interact with experts, daily market updates, and then the AI is pretty much their software, automated software, next generation automated trading bot. All right, just moving along here. Not going to touch on too much extra stuff. This is important because we're starting to talk about numbers and what people want to earn from a passive standpoint. Now, this is just with your own purchase of a package. All right. Now, I'm not here to tell you what package to purchase. I'm not here to tell you to purchase a package at all. But what I will tell you is that I have purchased two. All right. I've purchased a $1,000 package and I've purchased a $50 package. And we'll talk about what that means. But from here, the standpoint is for the $1,000 package that I have is 225% is what I will earn up to passively. And then in this $50 package, it'll be $125% that I earn up to passively. All right. They have the Verse AI. So by purchasing a pack of 10,000, you have the option to connect your robot or their robot to your personal trading account if that's what you choose to do with their partner broker. All right. Haven't decided if I'm gonna give that a shot yet. That seems very interesting. And with 10K is not. I've put in 10K in a platform that some may consider to be a hype, not a legacy platform like most consider this one. So we're looking into that. We'll see what that looks like later. Verse Club. Thirdly, by purchasing the $10,000 package, you also gain access to our exclusive trading club, a financial education platform that will allow you to enhance your skills and knowledge of the financial markets to become the best, you need to learn from the best. So if that's something that you're interested in, they have that as well. Very simple to start. You register, you make a deposit, choose your package, enjoy the reward program and access to the robot education service. Some countries are not available in this, so choose a country that is available if this is something that you're interested in. To my knowledge, there is no KYC. I haven't seen any KYC yet, so if that ever comes, then we'll address that then. But as of right now, very, very easy to be a part of Verse Network. Here's the difference. And we've seen this model before. You know, a lot of companies that you see on TV, radio, all that different stuff on the computer for ads, they're paying for those ads, all right? Instead of paying for the ads, they're going to pay you, all right? That's where this difference is. And it's not that big a difference in the industry, but it may be difference in how traditional marketing takes place for people to get their clients. Of course, they have a marketing plan. They have 5 ways that they're going to pay us, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so this is now getting into the active side of things. We talked about the passive side briefly. Let's get into the active side. You got direct bonuses, you got team bonuses, matching bonuses, renewal bonuses, and career bonuses. Now, this direct bonus, which we are going to continue to see as we continue to grow through this. Right now, we have reached, I believe, I think we've reached the trainer level, all right? So that means that we have just over 500 in volume under us right now. Not too shabby, right? I'll clap it up. I'll clap it up. All right. Based on your rank, receive a percentage on the overall sales volume of your network. Advancement to a higher rank depends on the business volume generated with your entire network. So as you continue through these different numbers here, and there's not a lot of turnover to start getting your first few bumps, right? Your first bump in percentage is at 5%, of course, starting at 4%, but that's only after getting $250 worth of turnover under you. All right, so a lot of you have done millions of turnover, hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, thousands. All right, even 1,000 makes you a pro in the Verse network. All right, and that gets you up to 7%. So on anyone that comes in after that direct. Okay, now this is a short example of the way this kind of works. As you get to the presidential director level, and I'm starting to get an understanding for how this kind of works because I've seen this kind of structure in other different things. They're going to pay you the difference. So as people promote, like say if I'm a trainer right now, right? So I'm getting 6%. There's nobody under me that I know of right now that have reached any levels. If they have, congratulations, good for you. But if there was, then I'd be getting the difference between on that leg. So if they were let's say they were a consultant and I'm a trainer, I'm only going to get 1% from that leg because it's a 1% difference between consultant and trainer. But say if I was a manager and they were a consultant, I'd get the 5% extra. All right. Everybody else that's under me, you know, based on what I'm understanding, and I may need some further coaching on this kind of thing. But that's kind of the way I understand it. You get paid the difference. So the difference between presidential director and president is 2%. So that extra 2% is going to you. All right. And then of course the folks that are lower than that, you're getting, percentages as it goes up. So I obviously sound a little bit confused. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm confusing myself. So we'll learn more about this as we go. But the beauty about being confused here is when I get into the back office, it's very clear on the things that I have to do to get to these next levels. And then of course, as numbers transpire at this level, at the presidential director level, you know, you've done 50 million in volume. So it's going to be very, very hard unless you have a few people that are just huge, huge whales, right? And you know exactly who those people are and they're under you. It's going to be hard to kind of tell where that all is coming from anyway, unless they have an apparatus that makes it clear for that. So we'll get into that as we go. Let's not confuse ourselves. Let's get into the things that make sense. Team bonus, receive a 10% commission on the business volume generated by all your legs except the strongest one. So whatever the strongest leg is, okay, that is the one that you're not going to be getting paid a team bonus on. But the other legs, all right, so if you've built wide, right, you're going to be getting a percentage from all the other legs that are not the strongest leg, okay? So, of course, in this example, on your second team, if you got, and I think this is I'm not sure if this is a one-time, I think this is a one-time bonus, but if your second team and third team have a combined, I think that's what, 12,000, 10% of that is 1,200, so you get $1,200 commission. That's pretty cool, and we'll figure out when that pays and how that pays when that comes about for us. Of course, the matching bonus, you receive up to 25% commissions on the earnings. This is where it starts to get exciting, people. So not only are you going to be earning passively, not only are you going to be earning from building a team if you choose to do so, but as your team earns, as your team makes money, that's the dream. Ladies and gentlemen, as you help people make money, you making money, that is essentially the dream. All right, for me, all right, for helping people achieve their goals and make money, not to sell more product necessarily all the time, or whatever the case is. If the product is making money, if the product is the opportunity to earn in crypto, and they're earning in crypto, and you have the ability to get paid off of that as well, why not take advantage of that? It's pretty cool. So they lay out the level commissions here: 5% on the first level, 4% on the second, 3 on the third through the fifth, 2 on the 6th and 7th, and 1 all the way out from 8 to 10. There's also a deposit matching bonus, looks like, as well, for the different levels, and I guess these are package amounts. So if a person gets $50 package, it matches on the first level. And I'm guessing if it, I'll figure this out. We'll figure this out. I've got some, and another great person to watch. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot a plug right now because I know he's out there. I know he's getting a lot of information. The Gifting Tribe. If you guys have not subscribed to the Gifting Tribe channel, where Sal Khan, he's an upline of mine. So he provides a lot of great information, and he's going to be earning these different matching and team bonuses as well. So I'm sure he's going to be more in depth about what the opportunity is here. But in all actuality, you don't get this kind of stuff without sharing, and if you're not a sharer, then most of this stuff isn't going to matter anyway. The renewal bonus. Now this does make sense. Now every time a person reaches that max, right? They have a max on what they can earn. When they reach that max, they have to purchase a new package, all right? At that point, they have already earned a max of 5 times their earnings based on whatever they decided to get in on, whatever package they decided to get. So once you get those total earnings, they have to get a new package. This is just an example for someone that purchases a 10K package, right? They're going to earn up to 5 times, right? So if we scroll up to the top again, real quick, that $10,000 package is going to earn the passive reward of 300%. Now, where this times 5 comes in is, I guess, from total earnings. This is max that you can earn, total max. And I guess that's between sharing and passive. But each time a member of your network reaches up to the 5 times the value of their package, it expires. When they have to purchase a new package, of course, that generates new commissions for you. They have career bonuses where if you, these are volume achieved bonuses. So as you achieve these different volumes, they say they're going to give you these certain items, but I do believe they're going to be either crypto equivalent, or they might actually send you the item. I don't know. But I think they're going to be crypto equivalent because that's just the easiest way for them to probably handle it. Of course, the daily earnings cap, this is something else that allows the company to be more sustainable long term. For those big leaders, right? Depending on the package that you have, you're not going to be able to earn passively this amount anyway. But as you share, say if you're a person that has a $10,000 package and you have earned $7,000 that day, just in commissions or whatever. So you're going to get the 5. The company is going to get the 2 extra. All right. So that's the way that works. It goes back to the company. I don't have a problem with that at all. I'm down for whatever keeps a platform around the longest and paying the longest. If that's the plan that they have set in place, I'm glad that they've gone ahead and established that from the beginning. So the chance of them moving the goalpost is always there, but I feel like it's decreased when they go ahead and let you know what's going on up front. Here's some practical information. Deposits are in USDT TRC20 only, looks like. They say that deposits via MasterCard and Visa are coming soon. There's always been problems with that in this space. So we'll see how that works. Withdrawals processed within 24 hours by USDT TRC20. I suggest just doing a deposit. And if it was me, I'm going crypto in, crypto out. That's the way I work. So can't tell y'all what to do or what to be excited about, but I'm crypto in, crypto out. Withdrawals processed in 24 hours. That's the time frame they give us to look forward to, and that's fine. No deposit, transfer, or withdrawal fees except for network fees. The wallets, deposit wallet is to fund the deposit. Transfer wallet is to transfer between members. And your cash wallet is for whatever you have available to withdraw. All right, and that's the presentation. We're going to jump over into the back office because I don't want to make this a super long video. But I want to show a few things. Now, I do have packs open right now. So like I said, I have a $1,000 pack and I have a $50 pack. In these packs, right, I'm already going to be earning, I believe, for the first time today. It hasn't hit yet, but when it does, it will show up in my passive rewards ticker, okay? Now, the 5-time renewal bonus is accumulation, I believe, of the not only people buying packages and what I'm earning from that, right? But if there was any renewals that go on, if they are earning past their slot, right? So when I get and when I pass all these, tickers here, I have to get a new package. I have to re-up and do it again. So it gives me that information right here. Now, of course, I've got a ways to go. 1.34% of the way for X5 renewal rewards, and I haven't earned anything yet passively because I just started these packs over the weekend, and I do believe it's a Monday through Friday. So we'll be earning our first returns today. But it's pretty cool how they have that matched out. Now, for the active earners out here, it's very detailed how you achieve each rank. Now, every one of these has a ticker on it. So I've already gone from starter, and we're working on getting a pro right now. My strong team goal is at 250. So I believe the strong team goal is whatever you have is the highest deposit, right? So for all of these different ones, no, I'm not. I'm tripping. It's not the highest deposit, but the strongest team. Duh. I don't know what I was thinking about. But of course, because I'm building wide right now, this is kind of reflecting on what the highest package is, possibly. But what this will be is, of course, the total volume in my strongest leg. All right. All the other legs will be accounted for in the second column. So, of course, I've got another $250 in my strong leg to achieve whichever the strongest leg is. And the strongest leg can change, right? It's just whatever leg has the most volume in it. So if a leader comes in and starts blowing it up today, they'll be the strong leg until they're not the strong leg anymore. And then, of course, they have the total to achieve for the other legs as well, all the way down to presidential director. It tells you exactly what you need, how far you are from achieving that, and I like that they share that with you. They have the network view. They have direct bonus, team bonus, and matching bonus. So for the team bonus stuff, I can see, it start to make sense when it starts to make sense. All right. It'll show you how much volume you have, strong team, other teams, what commission was paid. So commission paid on 10% of the $50. And these were paid over the weekend. All right. So as the stuff grows, as the teams grow, these are all my directs right now. So, of course, building wide, but I'm able to see, of course, who has the top volume. All right. So it's pretty cool. I'll get to see that over time as well. Very easy to make a deposit. You hit the deposit, you go to deposit, a lot of clicking of deposit, and then you choose crypto, you type in how much you want to deposit, and you're off to the races. Once it gets there, then you have to go to packs and then purchase your pack. You can purchase a pack as little as $50, and I do believe you can purchase as many packs as you want to. As a matter of fact, I wanted to buy a pack right now. I think I could because I do have a balance. I'm gonna check and see if that goes through. It takes a little bit of time for it to confirm, and it'll confirm eventually if you have enough to work with. I may not have enough to work with, so it may not trigger anything. Let me see. It's in my cash wallet. Could I transfer to member or to wallet? So what would be good, transfer to wallet from cash wallet to deposit wallet. There you go. So I could put $50 from my cash wallet into my deposit wallet. Of course, we've all set up, hopefully, our pins so we can do that, right? So now I should be able to go to packs, buy another $50 pack if I choose to do so. And I'm only doing this for demonstration purposes. But since I have that 50 in there now, I should be able to go ahead and purchase another $50 pack. The only thing I can think of now that would block that is having multiple $50 packs. But obviously, from the start of this new package, you can tell that you can have as many 50 packages as you probably want. So I could probably go ahead and get another 1,000 package. And what that also does is that increases what I can earn on a daily basis. All right. So that being said, the opportunities that are here in Verse are here. They are doing real trading. They have a Telegram group channel. One of their traders I've seen, well, I'll say it like this. I had been shown the MyFX book, and I showed it in my last video, of the one of the traders that was trading, and I think they said they have 6 or 7. Again, another great place to get valuable information is the Gifting Tribe channel. If you haven't checked out the Gifting Tribe channel with Sal Khan, he's also talking about this as well. And he is actually in Dubai right now with the company. So he's interviewing people, he's talking to people, he's seeing how things are going in the background. He's a person that puts his money where his mouth is as well. He's just not out there in people's face and ain't invested nothing. He's invested with his own time and energy and efforts. So I always have respect for people that are doing that. So shout out to shout out Sal, and shout out to Jackson for showing this to me as well. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Verse. We're excited about the growth that we're experiencing in Verse right now, especially when a couple platforms are having some issues. It's always good to have some platforms to pivot to that are paying. Of course, we will test the withdrawal when the time comes. I wanted to go ahead and take the opportunity to test the internal transfer, which was pretty cool that they have that as well. We're building wide, of course, so we'll see what happens as this continues to grow. But I'm encouraged about the opportunity with Verse, and I am now considering how much, if I put in here, will establish a solid income for me that I can count on from Verse. This is one of the things that I like to make this decision early in a platform journey, because the longer we can talk about it, of course, the more it's stuck around, right? So if it's still giving us stuff to talk about 5-6 months down the line, like we know can be possible, we want to have been earning from it as much as we can possibly earn from it. So I am now considering upping my ante, but we'll get there. It's just a few days in. I'm not trying to rush anything. We're just taking it day by day. We'll figure it out. There's still a lot to figure out about the referral program and all that different stuff to kind of get concrete in my head. But I'm one of those people that learns as I see things. So as I see it growing, as I see it continuing to progress and different things of that nature, then I'll have more experience and more information on it as we go. I am very willing to learn on the go. I am not a person that needs to feel like I need to know everything right now, because I don't. We can learn as we grow. All right. With that being said, put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you, and all your wallets, because crypto is indeed the wild, wild west, y'all. And if you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. All right. Ask me how I know. It's not very fun at all. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. Please, sir, please, ma'am, don't get scammed by the WhatsApp man, because if the WhatsApp man gets you, there's absolutely nothing that I can do to help you. So stay diligent and vigilant in the comment section and in this space in general. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Verse Network. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.